Hi, Mimansvitka. I'm Eric.
Hola, Eric. Do you need something? I have no money.
No, I don't need your money. I want your love.
What do you mean?
I love you, Mimansvitka. Would you be my girlfriend?
I cannot. I am Lebanese.
Lebanese. What the fuck? No way. No can do. Me gusta. I don't want a Lebanese girlfriend.
What do you mean? What's wrong with being half Indian, half Lebanese, half Spanish? Mierda de puta. You de putaca. You are a racist.
No. I thought you were lesbian. Oh, never mind.
Putaca.